Hi, my name's Neil and welcome to the first 2-minute Tech Law Update. I've got 4 things for you this week. First, the revised framework for the interception of communications in a business context was laid before Parliament on December the 18th. This is the replacement to the current lawful business practice regulations. When it's approved, it will govern what you need to do for things like the recording of phone calls. It's very similar to the lawful business practice regs that are already in place, so if you're compliant with them, these will be very familiar to you. Second, if you charge a surcharge for consumer credit or debit card transactions, you need to get rid of that surcharge by 13th of January. This is due to changes in the consumer rights payment surcharge regulations. Third, hopefully your preparations are already well underway for the new data protection framework, the General Data Protection Regulation, which is coming into effect on May the 25th. If you need to appoint a data protection officer, or you're not sure if you need to appoint a data protection officer, data protection expert Tim Turner has released a fantastic guide on data protection officers, and he's made it available free of charge from his website. There's fantastic advice in there whether you need to appoint someone or not, and if you do, what to look for in a data protection officer, and as importantly, what to avoid. Last, just before Christmas, there was a Court of Appeal ruling on liability clauses in contracts, and in particular whether the particular clause at issue should be interpreted as 2 separate caps or 1 aggregate cap. And the court found that actually there were 2 separate caps and that the claimant was entitled to damages separately under each of them. Now this clearly wasn't what one of the parties intended, so a timely reminder of the importance of getting your liability clauses right and being very clear as to when someone can recover under either or both of them. That's this week's update. If you want links to the things I've talked about today, just visit our website decodedlegal.com/tmtlu or our tour site, and you can get all the information from there.